Mobile technology has been advancing rapidly over recent years, especially after the introduction of the Android operating system by Google. The speed has increased dramatically. This technological advancement had a positive impact on the development of smartwatches. Recent days, smartwatches are truly smart as it functions in ways that we couldn't even imagine a decade ago. Those who love smartwatches would agree that Fossil is a renowned name in the smartwatch making industry. And today, we've chosen the Fossil Gen 5 Julianna HR smartwatch for women.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Fossil Gen 5 is a gorgeous looking round-shaped metal-bodied smartwatch made for the smart women around the globe. The smartwatch is run by the Wear operating system designed by Google, and it's compatible with both Android phones and iPhones. The watch is made with high-quality metals, which has made the watch durable and waterproof. The touchscreen of the watch is excellent, as if you could feel the screen on your fingertips. The 22mm band of the watch is comfortable to wear, and you can replace the band with any other 22mm band from Fossil. The smartwatch's case diameter is 44mm, which could fit on your hand just perfectly, and the 22mm band enhances the beauty of the watch on the hand. The Generation 5 smartwatch of Fossil comes with the most advanced version of Wear OS, and it does more than before. You can ask anything to the Google Assistant to find anything for you, and the Google Fit keeps track of your fitness. The heart rate tracking of the watch is accurate, as well as it counts the steps accurately. An exciting feature of Fossil Gen 5 is that it comes with a speaker. It will tell you about the weather or reminder, even read an email text message for you. The smartwatch comes with a long-lasting battery which will last for days. It's got storage of 8GB and 1GB RAM, which helps the operating system to act fast. It's time for us to look into the user ratings of the smartwatch and to find out what users are saying about the Fossil Gen 5. The smartwatch has got 4.3 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 865 customer ratings. Here are some comments from users. One customer has given 5 stars and commented, "It was absolutely beautiful and really sleek and simple. The face of the watch is the perfect size and the brightness is lovely. The rose gold is also the perfect color. It complements gold jewelry really well. The best part of all is how the watch actually fits without having to make modifications to the band." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "This watch looks beautiful. Much more like a classic wristwatch than a piece of technology, but it's packed with features. This is for a true techie, not someone looking for a fitness tracker only." A few people didn't find the watch useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "Watch crashed on me 4 times, software update took 4 hours and close to 90%. It stopped with just a warning saying it cannot be completed. Then Google Assistant stopped working with some error. After talking to Fossil Tech and Amazon rep, I decided to return it." That's all we have on the Fossil Gen 5 Julianna HR Women's Smartwatch for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.